Hi, I got X11 open, and I read the post on Facebook this morning. That's not it. Let's see, I must be over here. Yeah, this one here, dumb question. What did the window tags TS and LS mean? Okay. An easy way to find out, and I like one of the other posts answering people said they searched the web. I searched the web. I didn't find anything. I searched the reference manual, didn't find anything in terms of a legend for these. But see, like DH, that's double hung. Let's, this is a way to kind of teach yourself. Let's go over here and find triple sliding. I bet you that's TS. Let's go over to the label, specify label, and yeah, TS, triple sliding. Okay, now we'll go back over here to general, and we'll change it from double single hop. That's probably SH. Let's take a look. Whoops, TS. Oh, I guess I didn't do it right. Single hopper. Yeah, single hopper. Huh, it's not changing. I thought that would, let me start over again. Oh, it didn't change. I see what happened. Let's see, we'll change it to double hopper. Why not? Okay, double hopper is FH. I guess that's what it is. Let me check that. We'll go over to the label. FH. I don't get it. But nevertheless, this is the way you can answer your own question. Let's change the window type. I've never used a double hopper, but I suppose I could someday. Like glass louver. Let's see what that one says. GL. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Let's see. We'll go to, well, single hung is SH. I think that's FX. Let's see what it says. Yeah, FX. And double awning. Huh, double awning at FA. I don't understand that, but nevertheless, that's what they use. I guess a guy could call tech support and maybe get a reference, but I searched the web and I searched the reference manual, and this is what I came up with in terms of figuring stuff like that out. Okay. You see, your other question was LS. Well, let's see if we can find it. I'm going to go open the dialog. Now, what would be FS? I don't see any that start with F. So it sounds like a sliding window. Let's select left sliding, and that's LS. And right sliding, RS, okay. Triple sliding, TS, okay. And it's got triple hopper, TH, okay. So I guess I just have to buy, let's try triple casement, TC, no. Okay, I haven't, in the shortness of this video, I haven't been able to find that particular kind. It's probably one that I've never used. PT, that's pass through would be PT. We did, I think, we did awning windows. Yeah, awning window, AW. I don't see, well, I can just go through all of these, but it'd make for a boring video. But this is a way you can find out yourself what the creators of Chief Architect use. I just can't find a reference for why they use that, other than some of these are pretty straightforward. Let's see what Lubert says. LB, okay. Well, that's about it. I just thought, you know, in the absence of calling tech support, this is a way you could find out a window type by selecting it and see what the label says. Like LB is louvered. Got the idea? Okay. Hope this helps. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Have a good day.